Good afternoon, student. The previous section we are learned if else statement, all the conditional statement learned, and remaining the conditional statement today we are going to discuss. The first part, if else, if later. So later means you know that another one step by step. So if else later is the multi-path decision making statement. In this type of the statement, if is followed by one or more, what is that, one or more else statement, finally all the statement executed, finally the else statement will be executed in the program. What is the syntax of the if else later? First the if expression, they check the condition, and next is they display the statement. Again the statement is the false, they will be check the again another one is statement. If expression statement 2, again you will be false, but check the another condition. So the when is the condition will be true, that statement will be executed the program. So the when the respective expression becomes true, the statement associated the block is executed, and the rest of the later is bypassed. If the none this condition is true, then the final else statement will be executed. So first is the condition 1. So this is the false, this is the true, the statement 1 will be displayed. Suppose false means the condition 2 will be executed, they will be true means they executed that second statement, they will be again they pass the next condition. So that condition that will be true means they state the statement, the finally the statement will be executed, the false next statement will be executed and pass to the next statement to the statement end. So the above program, they will what is there, simply find out the grade using if else later. Integer marks, enter the marks and get in the values of marks, and you check the condition less than equal to 60. So you are in the end up with the first class. Suppose you are less than equal to 50 means the condition and marks are greater than 60. So your grade is second class. Again they check the condition less than 40 and the condition marks are greater than 50. So your grade is third class. This all will be or not eligible means you are in the fail. The statement will be executed the final. Understood? And next is the question. Okay, but this is the ternary operator, alternative of to if else. The condition operator or ternary operator is an alternative for if else statement. The condition operator that consists of two simple, one is the question part and is the colon. It takes the three argument. The control flow of the condition operator is shown. First the expression 1, check the condition question, and expression 2 colon expression 3. First is the expression 1 with the condition. So the true mean they will be another executed the expression 2. Suppose false mean they will be executed the expression 3. They give given the program, find the largest or greatest of two numbers using conditional operator. What they a comma b comma largest, enter the two number a and b. So largest equal to condition checking, a greater than b, condition a or b. So any one expression they will. So they will be able to check the which is the largest number. Is the largest number mean they display the result. Next is the switch statement. The switch statement is multi-way branch statement. What is the name is called? Multi-way branch statement. It is an important question. It provides an easy way to dispatch execution to the different parts of the code based on the value of expression. The switch statement replaces the multiple of the if-else state sequence. The syntax first is the switch expression. They will check the condition 1, case condition 1. The statement will be over, they will be giving the break for that's first case, and next check the second case and statement and break. So after all the case will be over, they will be in a default and check the condition statement will be printed in your program. So in the above syntax, the expression is evaluated, and if the values matches against the constant value specified one or case statement, they give expression. First is the expression code in the case black. Next the first case will be checking the code in the case 1 black, the statement display and statement will be break, and next case 2, case 3, last finally nothing is will be executed, they will be displayed in the default statement. So what is the rules followed the switch case statement? The expression provided in the switch should result in the constant value, otherwise it would be constant value be only allowed, other will be not valid, and duplicate case values not allowed. Say you have another, finally you are display one result, the duplicate case value will be not accepted, and the default statement is optional. You need mean you will be select, otherwise no need. The break statement used inside the switch to terminate the statement sequence. When the break statement is reached, the switch terminates the flow of control, jumps to the next line following the switch statement. Once the case will be over, in between you are giving this break mean automatically in the line will be moved the next case. It's a break. The break statement is optional. If omitted, execution will continue into the next case. So the flow control will fall through the subsequent case until a break is reached. Next comes switch statement is also allowed. Nesting in one switch case to another one switch case is will allowed in the switch statement. Here is the program. Integer number, enter the weekday number, C in number. Here will be checking the condition, switch number. Case 1, C out Sunday. Okay, after the break they will be displayed. And next is the C out Monday break. And Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. And default you have another wrong input you have. First you have enter the weekday number means 6 mean. What is the 6? They check the condition Friday. So they display the result will be Friday. And next is the switch versus if else. If else and switch both are selection statement. Already you know that switch case and another if else statement both are selection statement. This selection statement transfer the flow of the program into the particular block of the statement based upon whether condition, what is the condition you are checking, true or false. So there are some difference in their option, these are given. Key difference between if else and switch. Expression inside if statement decide whether to execute the statement. So inside the block only will be executed the if. And on other hand, expression inside the switch statement decide which case to execute it. But in the if else statement within the block will be executed which case we want to execute. But in the switch statement they will be decide itself which case will be executed. And if else statement uses multiple statement for multiple choice. But on the other hand, switch statement uses single expression, only one expression, number or date, anything, one single expression. But in this if else they will be using the multiple expression. The if else statement checks the quality as well as logical expression, quality or logical, greater than, less than and simple. But on the other hand, switch checks only is the equality. This is a number equals 0. But is an if statement equality and logical expression. The if statement always integer, characters, pointer or floating point type or boolean type. And the other hand, switch statement evaluates only the characters or integer data type. Understood you all? And sequence of the execution is like either statement under if block will be executed or statement under else statement will be executed. The if statement one block will be executed true, otherwise which block will be executed false. And the other can have the expression switch statement decide which case to execute, and if you not apply break statement after each class it will be executed till the end of the switch statement. Without using break statement they will be executed with another, any case will be executed. But if you are using the break mean case 1 executed, after case 2 one by one they will be executed. If the expression inside turn out of the false, inside the else block will be executed. Suppose your statement will be false, so there will be which statement will be else statement. If the expression inside switch statement turn out the false, then the default statement. Suppose in the switch statement executed in the turn out the false statement. So which statement will be executed? They want to check the any case. Which statement will be executed? Last final default statement. If the difficult to edit if else statement as it is studies to trace where the correction is required. But on the other hand, easy to edit which statement? Switch statement. And some important things to know about the switch. There are some important things to know about the switch statement. The switch statement can only work for quality of comparison. They will compare the value equal. Two cases labeled in the same switch can be identical value. If the character constant are used in the switch statement, they are automatically converted what is the coding ASCII code to 56. The switch statement is more efficient choice than if the situation is support the nature of switch operation. I hope you all understood. Thank you, student.